Understanding that your video format is one of the key things that's going to drive watch time and drive your video to be able to get into the suggested feed. Let's take once again a look at the channel called Mr. Luxury. This is going to be the case study channel because it's the perfect example of a cash cow channel that is effectively working. Although it is doing some things wrong, it's one of the best channels out there that you can look at that isn't in my niche. So we're going to be talking about video formats. Now, there are many different video formats out there that you can do. But because you're starting a YouTube channel, one in which you are solely designed to make money and not really have much involvement in it, you're kind of limited to a certain amount. And in every single niche, there are different formats. But I'll show you how you can quickly identify which types of formats you should use. So if we're looking at the Mr. Luxury niche right now, let's take a screenshot of what's on the homepage. We can see that there are on average 24 videos in the screenshot. And of these 24 videos, there are different classifications for each one of them. We're going to start with the first one right here. The first one right here is the Versus series. You can see that it says Millionaire versus Billionaire Private Jet Edition. So all of the videos that are Versus, we're going to classify these with a green square around them. So now that you can see the amount of videos that are Versus. The next video, as we can see, is how the richest man spent his trillions. This is what you call a statement type of video, because it's simply a statement/explainer. It's explaining to you how the richest person spent his trillions. So we can state this one as a how type of video. And we know that this is a prevalent theme, because if we look at some others, we can also see that they start with the same title. Let's classify these by outlining them in red, and call it the How series. The next video we can see here is Tesla's supercharging Model Y super yacht. And what we're going to be here is classifying this video as a statement, simply because the video is a statement. There's no real direction to the title, it's just a statement. So therefore, we're going to outline this video in blue and call these statements. So any other video that has simply a statement as the title, we will know that this is what it is. The next type of video format is going to be a list style video. And as you can see, it says the top 10 richest rulers in history. So we now know that there's a video series called the top 10, or the list style. So now what we need to do is we need to highlight these in yellow, and we can continue to classify these videos. So you can see that the videos I just highlighted are the list videos. Now, what we're going to move on to is the next video. The next video says the most expensive golf courses in the world. So we know that this is a series called the most expensive, or another statement type series. So because this is what we call the most expensive, we're going to be looking at other similar videos that have a similar title format and highlighting them. So now we're going to highlight this in pink. Now we're going to be looking at the next one, and the next one is what we call Inside, because this says inside Drake's $220 million private jet. So we can look for any other videos that say inside or start with inside, and we're going to highlight these in orange. The next video that we have that isn't classified is we can see is what's the most valuable currency in the world. This is what we call an explainer video, or a video that asks a question. So any other video that asks a question will be under this classification. And we're going to classify these videos using the color purple. So now you can clearly see that every single one of these videos is now classified. Because the videos are now classified, we now have our own mini algorithm on how we can create videos if we are going into the luxury niche. So from this little analysis, you can see that we now have 6 different series. The Versus video title series, in which 2 things are compared, the How X Got That Money series, and in which we look at how a certain person attained their wealth. The Statement series, in which we look at something that is relatively popular and we just make a statement about it. There's no real discovery. It's just a statement based on information. We then have the List video series, where it's a list-based video which is based on a list of something popular. Then we have the Inside series, where we take a look inside something rich and famous or something extremely exclusive. Then we have the Asking a Question That's Solving Something series, where we will ask a question about something relatively popular luxury and solve it. So now you can see that we have 6 different series that we can use to create video formats for our own channel. So if we were in the luxury niche, all we would have to do is pick a topic, apply it to the video series, and then go forth and create your own video content. And then you can see that's how you quickly create your own mini algorithm and create content. Using this strategy helps you to come up with ideas and video formats, All you need to do now is simply come up with original ideas for these existing series.